welcome to iFixTech Tech Tips. In this video we're going to talk about how to search Google safely. Right, we all love Google. We search it for everything. We use it for shopping, we use it for the news, we use it for fun, for jokes, for the doctors. We make our online shopping, our Tesco's orders on Google, through Google. We're always using Google all the time. So it's really important that we know how to use it properly and safely. Or how do you know the search result is a safe search result? Pay attention to the URL which you will see listed in the Google search. Sometimes scammers will try to list their website to make it look like a legitimate website, but there's a slight misspelling to the name. For example, if you type in Barclays Bank and you click on a link from an email, which is particularly bad, don't do that, and it takes you to a Barclays page. It could look like Barclays, but it may not be Barclays Bank because the clue is in the URL, which is the bit just above the search results on Google, or it's in the address bar on your web browser. Take a look at the name, have a look at the spelling. Scammers will very commonly try to misspell it in a way which is not very recognisable. For example, Barclays may be spelt and look like Barclays, but the L could be missing to say Barclays. But when you're quickly looking at it, you don't care, you just click on it, you see it, it looks okay. You may even go to the website, and the website may even look just like Barclays, but you put your details in, your username and login, and then you might get redirected back to the legitimate Barclays Bank and think nothing more of it, but you've just given away your login information to potential scammers. So always take a look at the URL, make sure the URL you're either typing in or clicking on and at the top of your address bar looks legitimate. So Google search results versus paid results. So when you do a search on Google, you'll see at the top you'll have some search results which may not be quite what you're looking for, but they have the word ad next to them. These are paid adverts by companies who want to push their website above all the others, but using the similar search terms to what you were looking for. So for example, if you're looking to buy a bike and you search for cheap bikes, you might have some companies who may want to list their website above everyone else's, and they pay quite a lot of money for you to click on it, but it takes you to a website. But you have to make sure the website you go to when you click on the advert is a legitimate website. Again, take a look at the URL, make sure it looks legitimate, double check to make sure the company is listed in your country, not a Chinese or fake company. It's pretty rare these days because Google do a good job on making sure scammers cannot use adverts anymore to con anyone, but occasionally the odd scammer does get through, and it takes a few days, a week or so before Google realizes, but the damage is done. You could have already clicked on the link and it could have taken you to a web shop that looks just like a legitimate web shop, so be a bit wary. If you're looking for the real results, which are not paid adverts, and just scroll down a couple and you'll see your search results based on your search term. Sometimes Google knows when something's wrong with a site. It could be a legitimate site that was recently hacked, a security setting that's been malfunctioned, or a site that was reported to them as compromised. Google, when it detects this, will show you a little message saying this website may be harmful. So, or you could say this site may harm your computer. At this point, stop immediately, do not go to that website. When Google says this site could be harmful to your computer, I would probably not ignore it. If you have family and you want to make sure all your search results are safe for your family, you can filter out explicit results by turning on Google Safe Search. While it's not full parental control, it will try to make sure that the search results are all non-explicit. To turn on Safe Search, go to your Google, click on Settings, and then look for Safe Search and turn it on. If you're looking for Parental Control Software, there's some good ones out there, and down in the links below, so just scroll down, look at the links, and you'll see a few links to a couple of common and very trustworthy parental control software which you can put onto your phone, tablet or laptop or computer or anything, and it will make sure gambling sites, adult sites, etc. won't get shown when your kids are using their machines. If you found this to be useful and you want to get our next tips, then please hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you and safe searching.